Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Again, your computer teacher is here with computer science subject. In the previous class, you have learned the theory part of these objectives, what a web page is, what is a website and web server, how to design a web page, what is home page, what is hyperlink, what is Zoho sites and Wix. The theory part briefly you have learned in the previous class. In this class you will learn the practical part. Let's move towards the web page, website, browser, web browser, home page and hyperlink. Then we will move towards the Zoho sites. First you must know what is web page, what is website, what is web server, what is web browser, what is home page, what is hyperlink. Students, if I show you my screen, on the taskbar here is Safari is pinned. Safari is one of the web browser. I told earlier in the previous class, web browser is used to browse or access the internet. On your taskbar maybe Internet Explorer, maybe Google Chrome, maybe Opera, or maybe Mozilla Firefox, or maybe Safari. Any one of them can be over there. When you will click over here, then you can see here search engines. Yahoo is a search engine. Bing, www.bing.com, www.google.com. These two search engines are available. Then when you will click on any one of them, students, you can go to any website. For example, you can go to the Wikipedia, any kind of website of anyone you can visit. Let's move towards the Wikipedia. A small keywords when we will give, it will show us the whole website. Students, this is the site of Wikipedia. We can simply call it site as well. We can call it website as well. Okay, the first page is called the home page. Student, we'll click on this. Let's see, this is the home page of the Wikipedia. The first page is called the home page. Then students, you can see here blue color, words with the blue color, and while you will click on this, it will show you underlined. While I will click on this, it will directly takes me to another place. It means that is the hyperlink. That is, we can call simply link as well. We can call it hyperlink as well. When we will click on that, it moved me, it redirects me over here to the next document. Then students, this is the website of Wikipedia. You can create your own website as well. The hyperlink also you saw, the web browser also you saw, Safari search engine also you learned. Now let's move towards the Zoho sites. Students, we were saying over here that building a website, now it's time to build your own website. Let's move. This is the Google search engine. In the search bar, now type the web address where you want to go. Now we want to go to the Zoho site. In the search bar, the URL or the address of the Zoho sites. Here http www.zoho.com.sites. Students, you can see over here in the down sides, while I typed some keywords of Zoho site, then it shown me the website. If you want this one, I will say yes, I can type the complete URL over here as well, and I can select this one as well. This is the address of the Zoho site. Now scroll your cursor down, create a website. Now you can see this environment. Student, over here, select your theme, customize to your liking, publish your website. Try now. While I clicked on the try now, Zoho logo appears in front of me. On the left top, you can see the Zoho logo. Zoho sites allowed complete control over the look and feel of my site. It allowed me to experiment with ideas, all without having to pay expensive fees for an expert to do this for me. Okay, here students get started with a free trial. Have a Zoho account. If you have a Zoho account, then you can go to login. If you do not have the Zoho account, I know you do not have the Zoho account, you can type over here the email address, valid email address with the password over here, then agree and then sign up. Those who have already their accounts on the Zoho sites, just log in with your email address. Those who do not have the account, first sign up. Over here, type a valid email address with the relevant password. Okay, let me type here my email address. @gmail.com. Password. Your password should be correct, student, otherwise it will not allow you to move ahead. Then here it is saying I agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. Tick over here. Okay, sign up. Creating your account. You can see over here it is saying that Zoho sites creating your account. Okay, now your account is ready. If you cannot see anything over here, just go to the refresh button, click on the refresh. Now they are saying pick a template you love. There are the varieties of template available for you. The one that suits your topic, your site, select that one. That may be here may be about cooking, here may be about animals, about music, about the education, about any about anything. You can create your own your own website of your interest. Here I am going to make a website of my interest, that is I will select over here for education. What is the name of your site? What I want to put the name of my website. For example, let's take example. Okay, Leaders Odyssey School. The name of our site will be Leaders Odyssey School. Now click on create site. Your site will be ready in a moment. Students, now your site will be ready. You can add your text and photos. You already know how to type text and format it. In the previous weeks, in the previous classes, you have learned in Microsoft Word how to format and how to type text. The same way you can do over here. Then use the toolbar at the top to help you personalize your site. Students, you can add here some text. Now if you cannot see anything over here, refresh, it will be shown to you. Okay, now this is the theme of your website. Now your website is ready. You can add some text, you can insert pictures. When you click a text or a photo, the available editing tools also will be provided to you. Okay, now what you are going to do, now the website is ready. You can edit and you can design whatever you want. Next. Okay, choose from various pre-designed layouts to help you design your website quickly and easily. Next. Simply next, add element, manage pages, add next, next, and to. Okay, students, now this is the theme of our website. We can change these one as well, and we can put the same as well. If you want to change over here this heading, you can see here the window appears over here in front of me. I can change the text over here, the heading I can change. I will write over here, education is a journey, not a race. Education is a journey, not a race. I can format my text, like I can indent it to left indentation, right indentation, center indentation, or I can insert any link as well. I can, let me select this. I can change the color of the text as well. The one that I like, I will select that one. Now till here you have learned how to open a web browser, how to open a website, how to type in the search bar, in the address bar, how to type what is address bar, what is hyperlink. You have learned, and then you saw that practically how we move towards the Zoho sites. What is the address of the Zoho sites I typed in front of you. Then how to create your Zoho your account on the Zoho sites, as I put the email address, the valid email address with the relevant password. In the same way you will type your email address and password, and you will make your account. While you see that your website is ready, like this website, then you will come towards its editing. The more in the next week, inshallah, we will edit this website. We will add more pictures of our schools in this website. We will add more pages, and we will change the picture from here. Then we can change the logo, we can insert element, we can insert new pages. You can see here the drag and drop tool that is used over here. Zoho is a free, simplified, and visual appealing website builder tool. It allows you to make a professional and detailed website in literally few minutes. No need of knowing HTML language or any other coding language. Use of only drag and drop tool and editing of text and editing of pages, pictures, headings. Like see the drag and drop tool, you can edit your website. We will learn, we will continue this inshallah in the next class, in the next week. Today's homework is also this, that you create your account, you create your website. Go in the Zoho site, sign up first, create your account by typing your email address and password. Then while you see that your Zoho site is ready, only just pick up one theme for that and add a name for your website, and then tell me the website that you have created, you have make. Then the next editing ones you will continue in the next class. Your today's homework is this, that you will make your website like I have done in front of you. The same thing you will practice, and you will make your own website of your own interest.